Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming power and proximity. Charge the AirPods Pro 2 to at least 50% and open the case. On your phone or laptop, enable Bluetooth, then bring the case within 3 feet. Press and hold the small pairing button on the back until the LED flashes white. This signals discoverable mode. Once done, select AirPods Pro from the device list. Make sure to accept any prompts and, if asked, follow on-screen instructions to complete the quick encrypted pairing handshake. Next, you'll tailor controls and audio behavior so the buds work how you want. Open Bluetooth or the AirPods settings and assign press and hold actions for noise control or Siri. Set tap gestures if supported. Toggle adaptive audio to let the AirPods switch between noise cancellation and transparency automatically. Use transparency for awareness, noise cancellation for focus. Also, check firmware updates. Keep the case near an iOS device with internet. Firmware updates install automatically. Finish setup with a fit and quick test. Swap ear tips until you have a secure seal, then play audio and check bass and mic behavior. If audio, pairing, or latency problems occur, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Then repair. Make sure to clean ear tips and speaker meshes gently with a dry cloth. If moisture or debris remains, wait until fully dry before charging to avoid damage and inconsistent sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.